All right, we're giving you the rare privilege of being in the Incredibox factory. Right behind us when we started the video. Well, is this going to be a different video from the other one?
This is a different video.
All right, anyway, we started another video showing the Incredibox, but look at all the insulation in here. See how it's all packed in here? And
this
all
is the Incredi Cottage.
This is the Incredi Cottage, exactly. It's 10 by 20 with a 4-foot porch on the back. They're getting ready to put the sheeting on the floor. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Now this white hose here is called a line set. This is for the mini split. This credit card's got a mini split, farm style sink, a full bedroom, washer and dryer hookup, closet, full bathroom, bedroom, living room, and kitchen. I'm excited about this one. And it's made out of our new panels. So we're about to see our new panels.
Well, this is them.
Well, this is the panels for the cottage. You can see this is a 40-foot panel. Each panel is a 40 foot, 40 inches wide, right? So there's no screws, no fasteners, none of this stuff. But the way they're hooked together is this double, almost a triple tongue and groove system right in here with an adhesive together. Yeah. Anyway, we'll show you more of that as time goes on. Let's go back here and I'm going to show you the big off-grid 8x20 Incredibox that we have. Amanda, this thing's got so many bells and whistles. This is an 8x16. You guys can see this is a full sheet of plywood here, a full sheet here. It's insulated, wired, and plumbed just like the Incredi Cottage. They're building the walls. Here's another wall over here, as you guys can see. These are our big suction cups that we use here. They hook to that thing. We got a crane system. We flip it around and we set it on this. Love it. And then we got another one over here for our roof system. Here's another 16-foot Incredibox. Yep. Look at them, Amanda. This is, you know what? This bay window is what's blowing me away.
Yes.
$2,500 edition. This is awesome. Who's Billy? Billy! He's working. There's Dale. Dale builds our roof systems. Yep. All right, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? This is 5 foot by 4 foot bay window that you sit in, and you can add it to any Incredibox that you would like. $2,500. Yes. Wow. I hear a radio, Amanda.
Yeah, we're back. Okay.
All right.
We'll be right back.
We rolling? Oh, good. Here it is. This tongue box is really cool. We bought these special doors, right? On the sides, the front, and up top there is a generator. It's a dual fuel generator. We're gonna do another video on this thing tomorrow morning, but just to give you guys an idea of what's going on. You're speechless, aren't you?
I have not seen it. This is amazing.
So it's got water catchment. It's got a dual fuel generator. What's inside? Can we look inside there?
Sure.
Was that a 100-gallon tank? 100-gallon water tank, right?
It's your trailer till we sell it.
I swear, it's almost been like a spaceship putting this thing together.
Wow.
That's made with the new panels, this whole house. So you can see the panels, right? Over here, this is a 100-gallon water tank. Here's the pumps, the switches, and you can get inside there and get all this. We got access to it. That's where the charge controller, inverter, panel box, all this stuff for the solar is inside here.
Wow.
Yeah, filter system right here, handy to get to. This is a complete off-grid home that is made to live completely off-grid for months and months and months. Yeah. I like these doors, don't you?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's beautiful, man.
What keeps them from making a door out
Wow. Yeah, and they're waterproof. I like them.
I love
That is beautiful.
Hey, it takes us hours to manufacture those doors.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
A lot
And
of
those
these.
Cut and pocket.
watertight, cut the hole, stick it in there.
Ah, that's what we need to do. Yep. Look at all this eye candy around here, Amanda.
Well, believe me, I know. Hey, man, I know. Look at Ben.
Gosh. Look here. I mean, there's stuff going on all over the place. Man,
Randy, it looks like you're in the way.
I am in the way. And these are our new panels.
Oh, my
Look at this.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. There's the radio.
Oh yeah, here, let me get it.